Very, very good morning, students. I hope you are good. Welcome back to our social online class. In our last class, we learned from EVS lesson 2 girls and boys. Right? Our title of the lesson is girls and boys. From there we learned what should girls and boys do in school and at home. Right? Then today we are going to study about what should girls and boys do in the world. Last class we learned people are not exactly the same. They are good at and enjoy different things. Right? People like to do the things that they are good at. It is important to respect this and allow girls and boys to do the things that they enjoy. Do you remember? This is important in school and at home. Okay? Then here for at home, for a long time people thought that there are some things that only women and girls should do and other things that only men and boys should do. Women and girls would do the housework such as cooking, washing, cleaning, right, etc. They would not get any help from the boys or the men of the family. Only mothers were supposed to look after the children. In such homes, the men would go out to work and the boys would perhaps run outdoor errands. Okay. Nowadays, changing. Several homes, the men and boys like to help at home and fathers happily look after their children also. Okay, many women were outside the home. Okay, in school also we learned last class. Today we are going to study about what should girls and boys do in the world. What should girls and boys do in the world? People have realized that it is important for women and men to be able to do the things that they are good at and that they want to do. Right? When this happens, people do well in whatever they choose to do. Okay? Nowadays, men are also taking up jobs that were earlier mostly done by women. Right? For example, men work as nurses too. Okay? Before the days, nurse means women or girl. Right? Nowadays, boys also, boys and men work as nurses too. While earlier, most nurses were women. This helps those patients who would like to have a male nurse. Okay, now male nurse also have a male nurse. More and more girls and boys are doing what they are good at and what they enjoy. Now chef also have, right? Chef means cooking, cookers. Okay, before the days girls and women only cooking. Nowadays men and boys also cooking. Right? Then all the works nowadays boys and men also doing. Okay, perhaps you too will be able to do what you enjoy when you grown up. Okay, parents support their children in whatever they want to do. All of us should think like this and remember to respect every person. Okay, that is you don't forget. Okay, why is the important to respect every person and the things they like to do? Once again I am asking, why is it important to respect every person and the things they like to do? Answer, it is important to respect every single person and the things that they like to do, because every person is different. First itself we are studying, right? Every person is different. Each person may want to do different things. Each person may want to do different things, but we are all equal, and hence everyone should be treated with respect. Would you understand? Would you understand, ma'am? Okay. This today this much enough. Today we learn in the world, what should girls and boys do in the world. Okay. Then next class, here are some examples of women in different careers. That is here given 6 careers. That is tomorrow not next class we can see one by one. Okay. Okay, do you have any doubt? Please ask the interactive class. Okay, ma'am. Then all should study well. Okay, read, then important points underline. Okay, do well. Okay, now all of you take your book. Today we can see book back exercise and one more question answer. Okay, page number 21. No, page number 22. Page number 22. Okay, take your book, turn to page number 22. Roman letter A completed. Roman letter A, filling the blank. Fill in the blanks. Completed. Roman letter B, write true or false. That also completed. Then now today Roman letter C, choose the right answer. Okay, choose the right answer. Listen. First one, when boys cook, it means that their choice is respected or not respected. Respected or not respected. Answer, respected. Okay, respected. Listen. When boys cook, it means that their choice is respected. RESPECTED, respected. Okay. Then second one, sports teams usually have only girls or only boys, or both girls and boys. Sports teams usually have only girls or only boys, or both girls and boys. Answer is only girls or only boys. Okay, that is circle. Second one, sports teams usually have only girls or only boys. Then third one, women work in many different careers or only a few careers. Answer is many different careers. Many different careers. Okay, circle that. Third one, women work in many different careers. Then fourth one, women can or cannot become boxers or wrestlers. Women can or cannot become boxers or wrestlers? Answer is can. Answer is can. Women can become boxers or wrestlers. Listen once. C. Choose the correct answer. First one. When boys cook, it means that their choice is respected. Second one. Sports teams usually have only girls or only boys. Third one. Women work in many different careers. Fourth one. Women can become boxers or wrestlers. Okay. Then Roman letter D we can see next class. Okay. Today book back exercise, this is the Roman letter C only. Then take your booklet. Okay. This only one more question. Third. First, what does respect mean? And explain why girls and boys can play with whatever they like. This you studied. Today, third question. Okay, third question is here. Write 2 sentences to explain why all family members should share in the work at home. Listen. Write 2 sentences to explain why all family members should share in the work at home. Okay. This only one question today. Next question we can see next class. Okay. Listen, answer. Did you listen? Write 2 sentences to explain why all family members should share in the work at home. Answer. All family members should share work at home so that only a single person does not have to do the work alone. This shows respect towards all the family members. Okay. All family, family, family members, members, family members, should should share, share work, work at home, home, so that, that, only a single, single person, person does not, does, not have, have to do the work, work alone, alone. This shows, shows respect, respect towards, towards all the all the family, family members, members. Once again I am reading. Listen. Write 2 sentences to explain why all family members should share in the work at home. Answer. Question number 3. Answer. All family members should share work at home so that only a single person does not have to do the work alone. This shows respect towards all the family members. Okay. This much only. All should study well, stay safe, stay at home, obey your parents, don't waste your time. Okay. All the best. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet again.